Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to Lopamudra's presentations. Let's prepare today a beautiful carrot dessert which is made up with cheese, condensed milk and ghee along with carrot. This wonderful dessert has an amazing taste and a splendid look. All of my guests love the flavor of this outstanding carrot dessert. So without any delay, let's start to prepare this alluring fantastic dessert. Let's take 5 cups of grated carrot. I used chopper. You can use grater also. For 5 cups of carrot, we will heat 5 teaspoons ghee in a pan. Now slowly place grated or minced carrot in the pan and start it frying on low to medium flame. Stir properly so that all of the carrots are fried evenly. Alongside frying, let's prepare another pan on which we will set the dessert. Take a container which has length, breadth and depth as shown. Now cover the container with an aluminium foil properly, cautiously and gently to prevent tearing. This foil will help us to separate the dessert from the container. Do not crumble or crush as we need an even setting of the dessert. We will stir and fry the carrot thoroughly. I am adding salt and continuing frying. In the meantime, let's prepare the garnishing. Here I have taken handful pistachio and cut it as shown. You can use almond or cashew too. Carrots are fried thoroughly. Let's add 1 cup of condensed milk here. So for 5 of these measuring spoons of carrots, we should use 1 of this measuring spoon condensed milk and 5 teaspoons ghee. Now let's cover it and cook it for 5 minutes on the medium flame. Five minutes are over. Let's open the lid. Now I am adding 6 spoons of sugar. Stirring properly and adding 1 cup of or 1 measuring spoon of whole milk. 1 cup means 200 ml. Let's cook it for again 5 minutes on medium flame covering the lid. Let's brush 1 tablespoon of ghee on all sides of the aluminium foil totally. Ghee will prevent it sticking to the foil. 5 minutes are over. Just open the lid. It's boiling. Let's add 1 cup of mozzarella or cheddar cheese. Stir continuously. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Please press the bell icon to get all the notifications of my videos. I will wait for your likes. I am adding saffron here to enhance the flavor. If you like my video, please share it with others. Adding 3 spoons of sugar more to sweeten it further. You can increase or decrease the sugar quantity as per your choice. Stir it constantly. I am sharing some of my beautiful recipes in my description box. Please check those and try those at your home. At last, we will add half teaspoon of cardamom or elaichi powder and half to 1 spoon rose water essence. Mix properly. Pour 1 spoon of ghee for flavor just before turning the gas off. You must turn off the flame and set the dessert before overboiling. Overboiling ruins the taste. Settle down the dessert in the foil covered container and use a spatula to settle it evenly. Sprinkle the pistachio pieces on the dessert. Again, use spatula to make it even as shown. Now let's keep it in refrigerator for 4 hours. After 4 hours, take it out, apply some ghee on the cutter to cut it smoothly. Now let's remove it from the container and the foil. It's so beautifully set. Looking so alluring. Now carefully cut it in pieces and enjoy it as a sweet dish. So friends, do try it at your home and let me know. Take a very good care of yourself. Bye-bye.